Lime powder ball pressing equipment can help materials to be better used. Let's talk about the 6 features of the device. A lime powder ball press. Using hydraulic cylinder pressure, hydraulic system has an accumulator, not only to ensure the forming pressure, but also to ensure the stable operation of the equipment. The forming roller of lime powder ball press adopts mosaic structure, which can be disassembled on site and replaced quickly. The improvement of the roller skin of ball press can save both cost and time. 3 feeding port is provided with an adjusting plate ensure the material molding. Compression ratio control in a certain range. Strong pressure. High pellet rate. 4 can be processed according to user requirements of different specifications. Shape ball and socket. Ball and socket after grinding high finish, easy to demolding. 5. The material inlet adopts mechanical dispensing device and polymer wear resistant anti-blocking liner. Uniform feeding to solve the problem of material accumulation in the material inlet. 6 lime powder ball press roller hole after quenching treatment. High strength, good wear resistance, long service life.